So are you planning a trip to Hungary and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. My name is Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm going to break down the top 2 best eSIM options for Hungary in 2025. I'll be breaking down the pricing, the data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts just in case you're interested. Links are going to be found in the description below, and we're ready to dive in. So the eSIM provider that I recommend for Hungary is Maya Mobile. If you want a low-cost data plan with instant activation, then Maya is the best choice this year. Their 10-day plans start at 3 gig for $7.19 and 5 gig for $8.99. These prices are already cheaper than buying a local SIM at the airport. So if you stream a lot, go for 10 gig for $13.49 or 20 gig for $18.89. Now for heavier users, there's an unlimited 10-day pass for $25.19. Everything works with 5G and it lets you use hotspots too. So it's super easy, and if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount. So let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description below, you're going to land on Maya Mobile's homepage. Next, you're going to type in Hungary into the destination search bar, and every plan that I just mentioned is going to pop up. At checkout, you're going to see that 10% discount already applied. No promo code needed. Once you pay, your QR code appears instantly. Open your phone's camera, scan the code, and the eSIM installs automatically. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't love it, or you prefer managing everything inside an app, then I highly recommend Airalo. Airalo's Zia plan is super easy to use. For a short trip, you can get 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days. If you're staying longer, there's 2 gig for $7.50 or 3 gig for $9.50, both lasting 15 or 30 days. Then for longer travelers, you can grab the 5 gig plan for $13.50, 10 gig for $22, or 20 gig for $36, all valid for 30 days. The Airalo app keeps things simple. You buy a plan, get a QR code, and add more data straight from your phone whenever needed. The coverage is solid with fast speeds in Budapest and even out by Lake Balaton. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get an exclusive 10% discount. So which one should you choose? Maya Mobile or Airalo? Well, if you want the best overall deal, especially for medium or heavy data use, then Maya Mobile takes the top spot. The prices per gig just can't be better, and the setup is very easy. But if you prefer having a dedicated app with easy top-ups, or you only need a tiny amount of data, then Airalo is a solid alternative. Both links are in the description with an exclusive 10% discount already applied. Just pick the one that suits your trip the best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Hungary in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. So, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.